Blizzard warning. Just got dropped. Blizzard warning. Blizzard warning. Oh my goodness.
The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service.
Yo!
For the following counties, DeKalb, Illinois. What? Blizzard conditions expected.
Yo!
Total snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches and ice accumulations around the Mount Glaze.
Yo!
Winds gusting as high
Blizzard
as
warning.
45 miles per hour. Where? DeKalb and McHenry counties. When? From 10 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Whiteout conditions are expected and will make travel treacherous and potentially life-threatening.
There it is on Rockford.
Conditions will impact some
KXI.
emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained at www.thetingroundillinois.com. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds. Plan on
Blizzard warnings are told on WKBM!
Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get... This is a winter weather advisory from the...